everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited for this next recipe. It is vegetarian, gluten-free, and dairy-free. It's simple and delicious, and it's also a little dietetic. On the Weight Watchers program, it's 5 points, and I have this in the afternoon with a cup of coffee or tea, and it just gets me through till dinner time. So, simple ingredients: we have confectioner's sugar, egg whites, vanilla, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. We have unsweetened Dutch processed cacao, and we have walnuts. Let's get started. Sugar in, we're gonna add the cacao. Put a whisk and go ahead and sift both ingredients together. That adds air and it makes it really nice and light and well combined, of course. Here, take a look. I'm going to go ahead and add the salt too. Make sure as you stir you don't have any of the little balls left. Let's go ahead and add the egg whites. Gently start mixing on low speed. Let's get the vanilla in. Once the ingredients are all absorbed, what you're going to do is you're going to higher the speed of the mixer. Creamy and smooth, it looks delicious just like that. Now let's go ahead and add the walnuts in. Okay, just go ahead like this. Doesn't look good enough to eat already like this, but it's got the raw eggs, so maybe not a good idea. I'm gonna scoop them out with an ice cream scooper. I find it that that's the easiest with all cookies. Okay, with these cookies though, if you get less than 24, you gotta go up with the points because it's gonna be more calories. But I think that's fair enough. They are so delicious. 24 cookies, 350 in the oven, and check back in a little bit. And I had them in 13 minutes. They're firm but still soft to the touch. We're gonna move them on a cooling rack to cool completely. Okay, the best part of the video, we get to taste them, and there goes my 5 points. But I want to share with you. Come closer. Look at that. Look at that, how chocolatey it is. Wow. Delicious. Hope to be sharing lots of healthy recipes with you. Thank you for watching. Make these cookies and share with your loved ones. Grazie, alla prossima, arrivederci. Ciao ciao.